Ever wonder why your AI fails? It's not always the algorithm, it's the data. Today, we're breaking down d-DQIV AR, a system that transforms messy data into smart models. Data quality is everything. If your dataset has missing values, outliers, or inconsistencies, even the best AI crumbles. Traditional fixes. They're one-size-fits-all, ignoring why data is bad. d-DQIV AR changes that. It combines two strategies: automating data cleanup, filling gaps, removing duplicates, and analyzing how fixes impact performance. Think of it as a detective, flagging issues and explaining their effects. For example, it shows how removing outliers boosts accuracy, or highlights critical features like age or location. Researchers tested it on real datasets. In one case, it uncovered hidden patterns in customer data. In another, it cut medical diagnostic errors by refining cleanup steps. What sets it apart? Visual reasoning. Instead of numbers, users see interactive charts revealing insights. It's like a dashboard guiding you through cleanup. Why does this matter? As AI powers everything, clean data isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. d-DQIV AR turns data quality into a collaborative, intuitive process. Next time AI falters, remember, the fix might be in the data. Tools like d-DQIV AR are rewriting the rules.